Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or hide files and folders on your Windows computer. So this should be a hopefully straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So as the name suggests, hidden files are usually hidden for a good reason. They're usually important files on your computer and it's done in an effort to make them harder to change. So if you're nonchalantly going through your computer settings, you're not actually going to stumble upon something that should have harmful repercussions on your computer. So there are actually quite a few applications that you do want to be able to get into hidden files. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. So the process should be pretty simple and straightforward for just about every version of Windows, starting from Windows Vista days. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu by left clicking on it one time, and then you want to type in Folder Options. One of the best managers should say File Explorer Options right above Control Panel. You want to left click on that. Again, Windows 7 might just be Folder Options, but everybody should see a screen that looks somewhat like this. Now you want to left click on the View tab on the top by left clicking on it one time. And now underneath the Hidden Files and Folders section, you want to left click inside the circle that says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drivers. Left click inside there. Left click on Apply and OK. And that's pretty much it, guys. So from there, do whatever you need to do. If you wanted to re-enable it at a later date, just reverse the steps I showed in this tutorial, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.